What's up, guys? Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and it's a beautiful Sunday day. Well, I say beautiful, it looks beautiful outside. It's actually super hot, but it looks beautiful through the window. So anyway, I'm down here in the workshop working on some toys, and I thought, you know what? I've got some Greenlight stuff I need to get some reviews out on. So here is the Chevy Silverado dump truck by Greenlight Toys. So these just came out here recently. This is in DOT orange, which, you know, let's be honest, probably isn't the best color in the world, but the good news about that is these are super easy to take apart. And so if you wanted to repaint that, piece of cake. Just some rivets you drill out and you're ready to roll. So there's that. Other than, you know, the kind of questionable color, which, don't get me wrong, this has certainly got its place on a display, or maybe your farm has bought an old DOT truck or something like that and they're using it, or, you know, there's a million uses for it. But with that said, this is a really nice piece of Greenlight toy here. So you can find these, by the way, over at www.fortheloveoftractors.com. So check that out. We'll put a link in the description and all that good stuff. We've got lots of Greenlight stuff, custom farm toys parts, and other items for your farm toy display. So anyway, here it is. So pretty nice looking truck. Obviously, this is the new Silverado. We've got the big kind of snout up there, the air ram intake, ram air intake, whatever, etc. Love the mirrors on this. Those look great. They got the kind of the chrome caps on them, and you can see the little blinker there on the side. Really well done. As always, Greenlight just does a great job with their headlights. So their actual lenses, you can see the blinkers in there. There's some chrome reflectivity material. They just do a great job on their headlights. And I'm going to go ahead and say the same thing about their wheels and tires. I think these look great. You know, this is, of course, the dually driver series. So this is a dually, of course. Now, you know, underneath you're not getting a ton of detail, but that's fine by me, and plenty of room for a nice custom exhaust back here if you want to do it. So that'd be cool, wouldn't it? Anyway, so what else you get? Running boards, of course. Chrome bumper. We get nicely painted details like your handles, your sort of cart striping there, or whatever you want to call it. Now we've got a logo there. Now the windows are a bit tinted out on the sides. The front, though, not so much. You can see into the interior very well, actually. On the side back here with the bed, we've got a nice toolbox. It's got a great looking latch on it. It's a little bit crooked on this truck, but I'm thinking I might be able to straighten that up. Oh yeah, straightens up super easy, so no big problem there. I probably did that myself now that I'm thinking about it. Nice mud flaps back here, and your brake lights are easily visible, so that's pretty cool. Now here, I feel like these should be third tail lights, and maybe they could just use a little bit of a dash of paint there. I don't know. The gate does open, so that's very nice. And there's kind of some latch detail here that you get. So all in all, so far, I'd say it's good. So of course you get the typical Greenlight ball hitch, which is really nice, I think. Dump bed does raise and dump. It will stay in place. So I think that's the kind of one of the key issues to this toy. You know, if I have a dump trailer, I want it to be able to stay in the up position. So Greenlight did an awesome job here, I guess is what I'm trying to say with that. So anyway, you know, there you go. So these things are going to run you, you know, depending on where you shop, let's call it $6 to $12. I don't know, roughly. On fortheloveoftractors.com, they're on the lower end of that spectrum because we like to move our Greenlights out and get them out to you guys. So anyway, what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments what you think of this Silverado. Of course, there's other, you know, there's a Dodge version of this, etc., etc. The tricky thing about Greenlights for me is they will release one and they will do a kind of a run, and then that's it. That's all you get. Like I said in my live video the other day, I actually kind of want the Dodge version of this, but they're kind of gone, which stinks. Anyway, but so if you want one of these, I say go for it. You better get you one. And like I said, being kind of DOT orange here, I could definitely see this. You know, maybe it's doing road maintenance. Look at that. We happen to be on a highway. Maybe it's doing road maintenance. You could have a flasher truck up here or whatever. Lots of potential there for that pickup truck. So anyway, guys, I guess that'll do it for this video. I hope you like it. Kind of short and sweet. So there it is, the Greenlight Chevy Silverado. Is it worth the money? Absolutely. The dump bed itself, I think, is very cool. You could, as I said, easy to take apart and customize. You can swap cabs around. You could swap that bed onto a lot of different things. Nice dualies and all that sort of thing. So anyway, there you go. that'll do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have yourselves a have yourselves a great day. Treat each other well. Happy tractor hunting.